Engineering teams designing process plants face major challenges, and when planned capital and operating savings don't materialize, it is usually because the design was not truly optimized, and design intent was never fully communicated. Disconnected team members and siloed data result in omissions, manual data entry, and rework, all of which lower project quality and productivity. To address these challenges and improve project outcomes, Hexagon and AspenTech have partnered through our digital excellence solutions for engineering and operations. By enabling closer collaboration and automating data flows, you can lock in solid decisions earlier that lower CapEx by up to 25% and OpEx by 10%. With our digital excellence solutions, the estimate and the engineering data are also linked, so the estimate develops in parallel with the design, allowing you to quickly produce reliable bids and be more responsive to customers. When the project gets the green light, detailed engineering begins quickly and accurately with basic engineering data flowing directly into Hexagon's smart solutions. This can shave 30 to 50% off the effort required for project engineering. The estimate developed in AspenTech feeds directly into the Hexagon project control software to become the budget for the project, helping the team stay on track. Digital engineering data can be handed over to the owner, and both engineering and cost data are available for reuse when starting the next project. With the combined solution for digital excellence, you, the engineering firms, and owners win.